aren't you cute?
What do you say?
Hello, would you like to go in and pick some candy?
Would you like to pick a candy?
Mm-hmm.
No, thanks.
Okay, I'll pick one for you.
What do you say?
There you go, honey.
Thank you very much.
Yep, no problem. Have a good night.
You too.
Hello, happy Halloween.
Hi, trick or treat.
You want to just choose a few?
Nothing's gonna jump at me, is it?
No.
Okay.
Did you get a really cool one in there?
Yeah.
I'll have to have a peek. Oh, that's neat.
This reminds
I
me.
like that.
This smoke in that reminds me of the firehouse in Woodstock.
No, I like that. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm so glad too, because I was waiting for something to come back.
Happy Halloween.
I love that. Can I give you a 10 for that?